Hello, this is Azar and welcome to Java SE tutorials. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to write a Java application, okay, that will print a hello message on the command prompt, and we'll learn the steps of compiling and running this Java application. So I have installed Notepad++. Okay, let me select the language. You can use your notepad to write the Java application. So we are writing the Java application prints hello. Now if you know nothing about Java, just don't worry, we'll learn step by step. Now public class hello public static void main string string argument system dot out dot print ln dot print hello world. Okay, sorry. Okay, now we are done. We have written a simple program that helps us in printing hello world to the user who runs this program. Okay, so the first step would be to write a program as we have written already, and we have to save it. Now we are saving into this application in this folder, Java source folder I have created in desktop. So I will save as in the desktop Java source, and I will select hello.java. So as it is taking Java extension, so I don't have to provide .java here. If you are using notepad, plain simple notepad, then you have to provide the extension .java. Okay, so if it is set to all types, then you have to provide the extension. Okay, since it is selected .java extension, I don't have to provide the extension over here. Just hit save. Now we can check here. In the Java source folder there is a file named hello, and you can see here the type is Java file because we have given it the extension .java. You can go to properties and you can see here this is .java extension. Okay, we have written our application and this thing is our source. Okay, now to compile, in order to compile this application, we have to use a tool that is provided by the JDK. Moving back into the C folder where we have installed Java, you can see in this folder, the bin folder, there are two executables exe files available. This is Java C, this one is the Java compiler, and this Java is a tool that invokes the JVM to execute the compiled source file, the compiled program. Okay, now let's compile this one. Open command prompt cmd. To compile the Java application, we have to use Java C, and we have to give the file name that we have saved. Since we have saved the name hello.java, so we will compile by giving hello.java and hit enter. Now you can see here there is a major problem, and the problem is quite interesting, because I have set the path of the Java. Okay, just hold on a second. Okay, I have found what was the problem. It was actually not the problem. I had set the path of the Java application before, so I had to show you something. So right now we are crystal clear now. Now let's compile Java hello dot Java. Sorry, Java where to give Java C. Now here I was trying to show this message to you. It should have shown over here while we invoked for the first time. Now this is the message actually. Java C is not recognized as an internal command. So the command prompt is not able to recognize this Java C. Okay, so it is telling it is not recognized as an internal or external command. Note here, there is something called the internal command, and there is something called as the external command. Now this dir lists the directory. Now this command is a internal command. Okay, so Java C is a executable. So in order to invoke this Java C, we have to set the path of the Java C. Means we have to give the path, the location of the Java C to the command prompt, so that it can call directly. Okay, so we have to set the path of this Java C. So to set the path, we have to go to the Java folder we have installed, program files, Java, JDK, and here in the bin this Java C and Java are available. So we have to copy this path, and we have to set this path on environment variable. Okay, in that one setting you can go to environment variables, and here there is a variable called path. It takes values of the paths. Okay, so you have to give this path that we have taken from the folder, Java installation folder. Okay, you have to give semicolon, and you have to control V, paste it, and hit OK, and OK, and OK. Now we have set the path, so the command prompt will be able to find Java C this time. Now let's compile. Again this is saying Java C is not recognized as an internal command. Okay, we have to actually close the command prompt and again open it. So sorry, and go to cmd. Right now we'll start Java C hello.java. Okay, now you will see a different type of error. Yeah, this is what we are not expecting for the first time. After setting the path, this is the problem. The problem is we have set the path, so the command prompt knows the path of Java C, and Java C here is the external command. Okay, we have supplied the path of the external command, that is Java C. Now we have the command prompt had found javac but could not compile this hello.java, and the reason is but the javac returns the message that the file is not found hello.java. So it is not able to find the hello.java. Why? Because we have not given the path of hello.java where it is located. Now to give the path of hello.java, let's see how it compiles. We are going to copy the path of the hello.java and we are going to javac and we are going to paste the path. We have given the path. Now we will compile hello.java. Now you can see it will be compiled. Okay, there is something called invalid flag, that is slash. Okay, sorry, we have to first move on to the path. Okay, now we can compile it. hello.java, hit enter. Now it is compiling. Okay, javac has compiled successfully. The compiler has searched for hello.java in this folder, in this path, java source. Since in java source we are having the java hello.java, so it found it and it compiled it successfully, and it also generated hello.class file. Okay, this is the bytecode. This class file contains the bytecode. Now we'll talk about bytecode later. Now this compiled file need to be run, so we can invoke the java tool. We have already said there is a java command. Since we have set the path, this java command is also an external command and it is available to command prompt. So we can call this java and hello. Now there is something problem, and the problem is same thing, could not find the problem is hold on a second. Hello. Okay, the problem actually was I had different JDKs installed, both 32-bit and 64-bit JDKs. So I was compiling 32-bit JDK. I was using javac of 32-bit JDK to compile my application, and using Java from the 64-bit JDK to run the Java application. So I had different versions, the compatibility issue was there, and I had installed, and the issue is solved. So just to repeat the steps, we are compiling using javac compiler. Okay, remember that we have set the path of javac, and this is an external command and it is available to command prompt. So we are calling javac to and passing these parameters hello.java to compile. This javac looks for hello.java in this current directory, so it finds hello.java and compiles and generates a .class file, hello.class. Now this .class file name is similar to the class name that we have given. Let's say we change this hello to hello2 and save this. Now let's see what happens. If I compile again, and I can see here the hello2 is public and should be declared in a file named hello2.java. So our compiler is giving errors, as the Java specification states that the file name that contains the main method should have the same name as the class name. So here our class name is hello, and we have saved the file as hello.java. Okay, clear, crystal. So we'll again compile, let's see, and it compiled successfully. Now to run we'll use java, and we'll call this dot class file. Okay, now I want to tell you something, that it will be executed. Okay, just hold on a second. Okay, now we're done. We have compiled successfully the hello.java. Now we are going to run our Java application. Now this Java command invokes the JVM, and it takes the parameter of .class file, this hello.class. So we have this takes a fully qualified name. Okay, the Java command takes the fully qualified name, that is the folder from the class path it is located. So now let's run the application. Now it is showing hello.java because we are available in this location where the .class file is located. If we move from this location and invoke java hello, now you can see here it is okay. Actually I had removed the class path but forgot to restart the command prompt. That's why it is giving answers. I was expecting errors. Okay, now let's close this and again run the command prompt. Okay, let's copy this path and cd. Here in this path we have compiled. Now we will invoke java. Okay, it is giving me it is giving me answers. I wanted to show you some error, so let's move to C drive. Sorry, this is my home folder. Now we'll call java hello. Here this was the error I was trying to show you. Could not find or load main class hello. Now since our command prompt was in this directory, so the java command was able to find this hello.class. Since we have moved out from this location and we invoke the java to compile the hello.class, it could not compile and it says could not find or load main class hello. So to fix this issue we are going to set the class path. That is, let me tell you that when we invoke the JVM searches the class path to find the hello.java. Before that class path, it finds the current directory, if it is available or not. If it is not available, it starts searching for the class path. Okay. Now, what is the class path? The class path is a variable to be set on the environment. Okay, here in the environment variable we have to provide a path. Now let's provide this path over here. We are going to provide two paths. Okay, now here it is the variable name, and we are going to give the path where the .class files are located. So here I am giving this C drive. I am giving this C drive to look for class paths, that is for look dot class files, pardon me. Now by giving this path, our JVM will first look in this directory for any dot class files. Okay. Again sorry, I was going to give the path of this location, so that the JVM will search for hello.class in this folder. So I am giving this path over here. Now remember, there must be a semicolon between two paths, and I hit OK and hit OK, hit OK. Now again if I call, now you can see I have to restart the command prompt. Okay, now I am giving Java hello. Now it worked. Now you see why it worked. Our JVM first looked in the class path variable, okay, that we have set. Let me show you again. Here is our class path variable. Now the JVM search looked for class path variable, if it is set or not. Now as we have already set, so it goes to the first location, that is C drive. First JVM searches for hello.class in this folder C drive. Now it fails. Now again it moves to this directory. It looks for hello.class in this directory, and successfully it finds the hello.class, and what it does is it invokes the main method. This is called a method. It calls this method and it executes the hello world in this command prompt. Now what we have learned in this tutorial is what is the path that we have set. Let me show you again what is the path. The path is over here. This thing is called path. We have to provide the tools that are available in JDK, these tools for external commands in command prompt. Okay, we have to set the class path, and we have already set here the bin folder. And for our JVM to search for .class files, we have to provide the class path variable. We have to set this class path variable, and this class path variable is looked by the JVM, and it searches in these locations for the .class file. Okay. Now in command prompt, actually you can set this class path. Okay, it is possible to set the class path in command prompt. You can set this class path permanently or temporarily during runtime only. Means while you call this Java hello, you can provide the class path. You can call this Java -cp, and you have to provide this path of the hello dot Java where it is located. Means you have to provide this whole, let me show you, you have to provide this whole path over here. Okay, /hello. Now here you see, sorry, it could not find our yeah, we had to give this CP takes the path, that is the class path, and we have to give hello. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think we have to give the whole path again.